this is Emma from Exercises for Injuries and Lifelong Wellness. Today, I am doing a swim workout, but oftentimes if we have an injury, hip replacement or knee replacement injury, we need to rehabilitate, get back into moving our body properly. And the best thing about swimming pools and water is that you can rehabilitate and use water and the buoyancy of it, the density of it, to rehabilitate a joint, an injury, a hip replacement, a knee replacement. Today I'm going to go through 5 different exercises you can do for hydrotherapy for your hips and your knees and to get your body moving good. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come to the wall. I'm going to put my arm onto the wall, and all I'm doing right now is using this hand, and I'm just vertically kicking back and forth, getting a nice release into my hips. I'm going to use a flutter-board or a pull buoy. They usually have these at swimming pools. So you can take this, put it underneath your armpit, a little extra buoyancy. This arm is still firmly onto the pool deck, and all I'm doing is I'm just kicking vertically back and forth. So this activates my glutes, it stretches my hip flexors, and it gives a nice feeling to my hips, especially if you had a recent injury that you need to address. The next one I'm going to do is kind of like bigger movements. I almost come up with my knees 90 degrees to the side of the pool at the wall, and I'm going up and down. If you feel comfortable and you want to move away from the deck, you can grab 2 pull buoys, put these underneath your armpits to give you great buoyancy, and then all I'm going to do is I'm going to kick almost like a cycling motion. Nothing that you do is wrong. As long as you get into the pool, move your body, it will feel good. Your body will thank you for it. I'm in the deep end. These are great to do in the deep end. There's no impact whatsoever, and this feels excellent. So if you've had a stress fracture, a knee injury, knee replacement, hip replacement, getting in the water is fantastic to rehabilitate your body. The next I'm going to do, I'm going to take these, put these back on the pool deck, and now I'm just going to kick, a straight kick. So holding on, and then just kick. And you can do 5 to 6 sets, 30 seconds each side. The faster you kick, the harder it is. And come back to the wall, and then you can do it again. You can extend your arms. Come back into the wall. That's 2 sets or 2 exercises. Another one you can do is grab these flutter boards. They maybe look thin, but they're actually very, very, very buoyant. And you can take it, tuck it in underneath, and hold on with your chin, and then just do a nice, easy flutter board kick. You can do straight leg, or you can do frog leg. So open up your legs and your knees. Get a nice stretch into your hips. I'll turn around, come back towards the wall. This feels really, really good. So I open up my knees, kick out with my legs. You can do the entire length of the pool if you'd like. And coming back to the wall. The last one that I'm going to do is one leg is actually holding onto the side of the wall. I'm holding on to here or here. And all I'm doing right now is I'm bringing one leg up and then down, then kicking back, up, down, kicking back, kind of like a swooping motion. Kick at the back. I'll turn this side. One more that I will do is a stretch. So these diving blocks are fantastic tools to use to stretch our body in support of the water. So I hold on to the hand with the handlebars here, and I try to get my feet up here, and I basically do a baby stretch. And I press out, stretching my hamstrings and my back. If you can't come in that high, then you can just let go here, a little bit lower, and this is a bit easier movement. This may be hard for people to do it on the ground, but in the water it gives you extra support, and your body and your glutes and your hips and your knees will thank you for it. Okay, last one that I'm going to do, which is my favorite. I'm going to grab these pull buoys, and you can find them at every single pool will have pull buoys. I take these, put them right to my armpits, and my favorite exercise to do to open up my hips are egg beaters. If you've had a knee injury or knee replacement, don't try these, but for hips, these are awesome. Essentially what you're doing is you're pretending you're sitting like you're sitting into like a lazy boy like this, and you bring your knees up, and now you're just kind of doing an egg beater. And egg beaters exercise, it really helps with that joint ball movement into your hips and gives a nice release, and then you can switch. I'm not very coordinated to do it backwards, so I'm just going to stick to one side. And that's it. These were my exercises and movements for hip rehabilitation, knee rehabilitation, hip injuries, knee injuries that you can do in a swimming pool, in the water, deep end preferably. If you're not a swimmer, you can still get in the water and enjoy the feeling and the beautiful benefits of being in the water. Thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe below and follow us at exerciseforinjuries.com, and happy pain-free living life.